What up great people, it's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you the single leg hop. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So this footwork is a very nice footwork, and it works mostly on your abs, especially the lower abdominal muscle. So you should incorporate it into your jump rope workout or body weight workout with the jump rope. And it's so simple, a footwork, and once I explain it to you and you follow this simple and few steps in this video, you nail it like the pros you are. So the first thing you should do is actually learn how to do a single leg bounce. Why should you learn a single leg bounce? Once you learn a single leg bounce, right, you trust your foot to carry your body weight, because most of the time you'll be resting your body weight on one foot while your single leg goes up and down. So we have a great tutorial on that. You can go check it out and learn how to do the single leg or regular single leg bounce. So the move is something like this. You'll be hopping on one leg. You can hop how many times on one leg, you can hop how many times on another leg. So you notice when I'm hopping with one leg, the other leg kind of lifts from the ground. That's because I want to clear space for the rope to pass through. You don't need to hop so high, like with the foot on ground. You don't need to jump so high, because the rope is tiny and to surely get that few inch of space to pass through. So just try as much as possible not to jump so high. So let's practice it without the rope, and we'll add the rope later. So I'll be using my right foot now to get single leg hops. So from this position I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I go with my left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you notice when I'm hopping with my right foot, right, my body weight kind of disposes to the left side of my body, and when I do same hop with my left leg, I kind of shift my body weight to my right leg. And that's why I said you should learn the single leg bounce to actually trust your foot or your leg to carry your body weight before you can nail this move. Now try to, as much as possible, reach high with your hopping leg so you can feel it on your abdomen and get the best workout out of this jump rope trick. So once you're comfortable with that, let's add a jump rope to it and see what we can get. So from this position I go. You can do it nice and smooth. Don't forget your wrist action to get you whipping like a pro you are, and you look so sleek and smooth with this move. So it's that simple, guys. So once you are perfect, like once you are good with this move, you can also add variations such as this. You can create an illusion as if your leg is going slow while the other is going fast. Then you can get something like this as well. So once you learn the basic one, you can add those illusion and the foot cross illusion as well. So it's a very nice footwork for your abs, like I've said earlier, and I'd like you guys to practice this footwork, learn it, and use it in your jump rope combinations. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you like about this footwork and how you'll be using it in your jump rope workouts. And share this video with your friend who is still trying to learn new tricks. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.